Hi, I'm Nathan,
I'm Ryan.
and this is our Heider 4-person suite. Come on in. First, to start off, this is our awesome kitchen. I love cooking in here. The kitchen comes with a full-sized oven and stove as well as a refrigerator, but we did have to buy our own microwave.
So this is my bedroom. You can see we lofted one of the beds, didn't loft the other. We wanted to maximize the space. We were able to put a futon underneath. It didn't come with, but it's been awesome. We have desks and shelves, each of us, plus some drawers. We have more drawers in the closets back in this room.
On the way to the bathroom, there's tons of ample storage space for all your extra toiletries, towels, sheets, etc., as well as here in the bathroom too. The bathroom comes with a lovely sink as well as a toilet and this built-in shelving for extra toiletries as well. We did buy extra drawers and boxes to put our stuff in just to keep it organized.
So this is the living room. There's a lot of ways that you could choose to lay it out. It does come with these two kind of table shelves here. It does come with this chair and the couch.
We also got extra bit of decoration as well with our posters, board walls, etc. This corner room offers a great view of Omaha. Let's go check it out. Thanks for checking out our Heider 4-person bedroom.
We hope to see you on campus soon.
Go Jays!